First and foremost, I want to say big up to everybody who subscribe to my YouTube channel, and big up to everybody who also watch my YouTube channel. When you don't know one boss, same way. They have to give me take on Sizzla performance. You see me? You don't know that same way, hear that real general same way in Jamaica, one of the biggest artists in Jamaica and across the world too, cause people know about him. Once I play him song them remind people, and you see me I say, and write us a paper, Sizzla bun fire is a shame. Rate the fire with Sizzla bun. Sizzla remind some of uno, man and woman. You see me? Don't low down on yourself, brother. You see me? Upful and grateful, brother. Don't low down. So make we take in the stage performance and I'll leave on a comment.
All of my people and all the beautiful people from Jamaica, they ain't gonna see us. Instagram will hey, sing for the people and tell for the fans. No King Selassie, push up your hands there. You do the next part. Rasta man that say, pleasant surprise. Ready to stop you, ready up your right. Reach on the top, yes. Let the next song. Yeah, idiot. Yes, man. Little Maureen Johnson, our sexy girls. Yeah, there's nothing in it. I feel so related on. Hey, let's be this nice very well. Yeah, they're trying to attack. Pull up. Pass. You take man a cover. I come for walk the blood clot stage show. I come for fuck around as a new plaza. So we are start party here, sir. And the Babylon them say party fi go on. And we have ready with the young there, sir. I have father witty way. And the girl will find pussy on the stiff titty way. The man when I asked some pussy said no. Rhythm track your blind. Yo, hear me now. I like to be so far of the ghetto. Excuse my language. But I come cause bad one mama for nice on the plate. Yo, hey, you still taking what's not yo. Really know you. Switching on me now, bitching on me. Build up dirty attitudes at your future, then I'm not sure. Hey, now you look on every corner, trying to make a dollar from the waters. Don't you hurt my friend, give on every night. Father, Rastafari, sing it out. I gotta come on up. What is that? What do you like to put up something down there? All of the jumps that I push up with a lighter. From the back to go on the linear. You ready now? Ready up. Rasta man don't apologize. Pull up that. I want to feel like. What do you want to do? King Celestial. So you never know. I wanna go low. Want me sing a new song? Hey, pull up your pants. No wanty man on the in ya. Pull up your pants. No wanty man on the in ya. Pull up your pants. No wanty man on the in ya. Fat pussy y'all a never know that steer in ya. Pull up your pants. No wanty man on the in ya. Pull up your pants. No wanty man on the in ya. Pull up your. No wanty man on. Yo, hey, yo, Rasta man don't apologize. If you're this King Selassie, give me the one of the job because I never up it. Hey, girl, why now? It's not gonna see the in me. Rasta man don't to know. If you're this opportunity, then what? I'm this give me the one of the job because I never up it. Here come fire, one on. Pull up your pants. No matter man, no get in ya. You know, pull up your pants. Pull up your pass. One boy I walk when I show them beef and them underpants and a pussy. Go with dance. Hey. Now the girl them gonna show them draws already. Where you are go? Cut out that bun. I'm gonna tell them. Yo! Let the fire go! Move the fire! It's a good man! Step down on you! No, you must be on the sound up! Look to the woman! No, you must be on the sound up! No! And the password, get active. I'm here ready, yeah. Not too loud. Them outside, come out, come out, no. When you see a batty man, them feel dead. Bullet in the head, see a batty man, them feel dead. When you see a funny man, them feel dead. So now, listen. No batty boy, we don't care what about ya. No, we don't want me about ya. Me and machine gun, we not gonna about ya. More for pussy, I come about ya. Can you never hear bounce and blow? We ever kill them now. Can you never hear bounce and blow? We ever kill them. Rasta man don't apologize. It's what they king say, I see I. Do them what they can because I never want to. Me a come by and me that's you. You know what I'm doing? No. Me a sing the chorus. I am gonna sing the verse, alright? Yeah man, master man, let's go. Me a bad man, me a don't work for black people. Well then, I some people are banana. Let's go to the banana. Can't stop me, let's go to banana. Can't get this in it. So, yeah. Rasta, no can't do that. Erase it down. Go. Next song selector. I want to say thank you very much for supporting. Popcorn, big up yourself. Chronicle, big up yourself. All the artists who work, big up yourself. You don't know, big up the selectors, them. Liquid, big up yourself, you know. Amma, big up yourself. I want to say thank you very much for the citizens, big up peace officers, them for allowing it. They don't know. We're the indigenous people, indigenous citizens. Next song. I don't mind. Run the rhythm. We don't film advice sing them. We don't cheat like that. Alright? We don't want no song help me sing. If my horse, you hear some horse. If I'm going good, you hear some I'm going good. When I'm going good, you hear some I'm going good. Don't play the song. Rhythm! One Miguel Collins. One Orlando. Hold on. The girls are on the party now, we sing that one here. I want to put roots and culture song laughing, you know. Find them. Sex sellers will need some of mine. Come kick it in the shorty. Give me that. Skip it, you know yourself when the people that support you. Hey, hey, hey. That's fine.
First and foremost, want to say big up to Dada. You see me? Big performance Dada pull off. That's a hear that on the stage show there. No joke. You see me? Never let down the fans and him never let down Jamaican people. You see me? All if one of my artists, I listen to the Ras music, and the Ras music I teach the youth them whole heap of things. You get me? I say, yeah man, I keep the youth them where I grew up now on the right path, Sizzla. I'm like the word, brother. I'm not hide and tell them I like where you push out, brother, out there to the world. So the nowadays youth them can listen to you, brother, and understand. And of course, you cuss them in, brother. I tell them, say, brother, roll up on your head. You see me, I say, Sizzla tell himself, pull up on your pants, a real chat. Viewers and subscribers, so they just have to be careful out there in the street. You see me, I say? Yeah, man, because Dada say pull up on the pants, you know, because you don't know, you can't tell who I look by you out there, you know. The batty boy out there undercover, you know, you see me? Yeah, man, Dada burn fire, man. Why, it's like a flayed people, you know. Real fireman, you mean? No chat, you hear that? I want to hear, man. Big up on yourself and the viewers and subscribers. See me, you see me? If you want to reach this far in the video, thanks for watching. See me again. I appreciate everybody who subscribed to my YouTube channel. You see me? If you don't subscribe, please subscribe.